Need to change your TikTok username and display name on your iPhone? Well, in this short tutorial, I'm going to guide you on how you can change your TikTok username and display name easily. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, open up the TikTok app. After that, tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Now tap on the Edit Profile. If you want to change the display name, then tap on the Name option. Here you can set your new name. After typing your new name, then tap on the Save from top right corner. Now, if you want to change your username, then tap on the Username option. Here, enter your new username and hit Save. Your username must be unique, and you should use letters, numbers, underscores, and periods. One more thing to remember. You can change your username once every 30 days. And that's all. This is how you can change the TikTok username and display name on your iPhone. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any kind of questions, then write them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.